Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Downloader app on your Firestick. Whether you want to sideload apps or install third-party content, Downloader is the tool you need. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, from your Firestick home screen, navigate to Settings and My Fire TV. Then we'll go down to Developer Options, and here we just need to ensure that Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. If you see Install Unknown Apps, just select it and then enable it specifically for Downloader after it's installed. Step 2. So back on the home screen, we will go to Find, drop down to Search, and type in Downloader, or if it appears in the list, just select it. Click again. And start the download. Once the download completes, we will set up or check the permissions. Okay, so it's installed, so let's just open the app. Click allow. Okay. So back on the home screen, we'll just quickly check the permissions for Downloader. So navigate to Settings, then My Fire TV, Developer Options, and Apps from Unknown Sources is turned on. So Downloader should now be ready to use. Just navigate to it. You can enter URLs to download APKs and sideload apps safely. So if this video helped you out, just give it a like, share,